Hello, in this video I'm restoring this 19-foot fishing boat. This boat is a 1978. This is a fiberglass boat except for the core of the transom, the floor, and the front bulkhead where the anchor locker is. Those are made of plywood with fiberglass covering it. This boat and motor had sunk previous to me purchasing it. The motor and all the wiring were pretty much shot. I sold the motor for parts. The console is in good shape. I started by sanding the bottom, getting off all the old bottom paint and stripping out the interior. Got rid of the motor. Found some rot in the transom, decided it was time to fix that before I go any further. The outside of the transom fiberglass was in good shape though. Here I got some new bottom paint on it. Here's my fiberglass transom with all the old plywood ripped out. I'm going to use a sheet of cardboard to make my pattern to cut out my plywood. Now I have my first layer of 3/4 inch plywood cut. I have my polyurethane adhesive spread out on the fiberglass transom. I clamp that up and let that set up. Now I have my second layer all glued up, ready to attach. And finally, I have the plywood covered in fiberglass. The fiberglass I used on the transom is a 29-ounce stitched biaxial. Here we got some beer being brewed right now. Brewing an IPA. This is how the boat's looking right now. Hull's all sanded and getting ready to put the paint on. All the fairing's been done. Transom. New transom. Rub rail's got to get back fastened. Took that off to patch up this area, is a little scuffed up. That's total boat fairing compound. So next thing I'll show you will be in paint. So the hull and the top side is in paint. I used Total Boat Wet Edge 1-part polyurethane paint. The hull color is aqua mist and the top side is blue glow white. And I painted it with a roller and a brush. And for the floor, I added soft sand to the white paint. This is what it looks like, all in paint, 2 coats on all surfaces. Going to add my center console, install my hardware, stereo, cleats, navigation lights, 50 horse Suzuki outboard. That'll all be in the next video.